Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can view your recent watch history and search history and also comment history as well. So we're just going to go to your profile page here and you're going to select these three lines, and then you're going to select settings and privacy, and then you're going to scroll down until you find activity center. Select it. And then you are going to simply select either watch history, comment history, or the search history. So for search, you can see it here. You can then just go back and then select either watch or comment history. And that's basically where you can find it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!